To change advanced photo mode controls in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open your camera app. Next step is to navigate to the four dots and click on the gear icon to open camera settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and look for Camera Assistant. Here, if you click on it for the first time, it will transfer you to to Galaxy Store, where you can download this plugin. When it's ready, scroll down and find the option called Advanced Photo Mode Controls, and then you'll be able to first adjust minimum shutter speed. That means the aperture for your camera, you can switch it to, for example, 30 seconds. That way your phone will take photos the camera will take photos for 30 seconds. Your shutter will remain open for that amount of time. You can change the maximum ISO for your photos as well, change the white balance control to adjusted, and exposure value control as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.